Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to remove iPhone music player widget from iPhone lock screen. To remove your iPhone music player from your lock screen, go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down and tap on notifications. Once you are in notifications settings, here scroll down and just find out the music app. So currently I don't have the music app, so I'm going to opening another app to show you how to do it. Okay, once you successfully opened the music notification settings, here you find this alert section. So you have to uncheck lock screen alert for your music app, also uncheck banner alerts for music app, and then you have to force restart your iPhone. So press volume up button, volume down button and hard press on your power button until you see the Apple logo, and that's how you will be able to force restart your iPhone. Once your iPhone force restarted, now on you will see the music player widget has been successfully removed from your iPhone lock screen. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.